Exercise 10, part 2, offset. In this exercise, I want you guys to practice offset, and I also wanted to show you guys, because in SketchUp, everything that touch each other kind of stick together, so you might get different result if you use different, approach. So here again, I'm giving you guys an example. This is what I want you to achieve. I want you guys to make this one, but I gave you guys a surface and I also gave you guys a cube. So let's look at this exercise. This is the example that I want you guys to follow. If I show you guys at the back of it, see, all shapes are closed and nice. So how can I achieve this? First of all, we start with offset. If I type F, that's the shortcut for offset, or you can click here. So I click here, show the direction of the offset, type 2, enter. Then, as you can see, because this side is selected, if I just type 2 again, it would offset this on top of this one. So I have two options. Either click here, and instead of 2, I click 4, because I want you guys to offset this 5 times. Or you press escape, select this surface, then type F and click and just type 2. The same thing, escape, press spacebar to go to select tool, F, offset, 2, enter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more time. See, now it's working. There is no need to, when I place it here, it just start on that surface, 2, enter. So I offset this square 5 times. Now if I use push-pull tool, click on this surface, and because I don't know the depth of this shape, I would just use the points. See, I just select this point on this edge, and I just click, and as you can see, it works. Then I place my push-pull tool here. I have two options. Either I click here, show the same distance, or I go to the other side and show any surface here. So see what happened here? Because in SketchUp, when objects are in touch with each other, they stick together, and sometimes we get the result that we don't want it. See what happened here now? Here it looks good, I have what I wanted, but on the other side, this area is empty. So to fix that, I can just draw a line, and as you can see, it closed that one, but closed this one too. So I just select this one, and see, it select everything. I have no choice but drawing another line here, so to kind of specify this surface, then I delete it. But I'm not wasting my time like that. I would just complete this exercise this way. So I just go to push-pull tool, show this surface, and if I double click, it would match the depth, remember? And again, as you can see, there is a hole here. The other way that I can, copy this with less effort, there is no need to go and draw a line and delete to cover this part and then delete the other part. Here, because I have a surface, I would use offset, go here, 2 inch, enter. See, now it's working perfectly. 2, enter, 2, enter. And I guess this is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. So here, if I just use push-pull tool again, and I select this one and then match it with this, then I use push-pull tool here, double click. See, it gives me the same problem. So what's the solution? So the easiest way is I just select the area that I don't need and I delete them. And what I'm doing, actually I'm removing those connections between these surfaces. Later on when I explain about the group and component, you can see that how we can fix this problem. But for now, because everything that touch each other, they kind of stick together, I have no choice but trying to remove those connections. Now I just go with push-pull tool, select this one, so and I match it with this one, and the next one I just double click, and see I have exactly what I want.